just war in India. What are your views on that? And especially when those statements come from highly influential people who have been MPs for 4 consecutive terms.
That's why this is unfortunate, and that's why, being the former president of Supreme Court Bar Association, I was compelled to write a very one letter to the Honorable Prime Minister yesterday, in which I pointed out the legal position, in which I pointed out the rights of the government to file review petition or seeking to refer the matter to Constitution Bench. And if such MPs of such stature, who are the lawmakers, if they make such irresponsible statement, this will lower down the dignity of the judiciary. This will spoil the cordial relationship between the executive and the judiciary. Although our judiciary don't care for that statement, Indian judiciary, they pass orders in accordance with law. Some people were asking me whether this will be contempt of court. It can be a contempt of court, but our courts are very liberal. They don't take cognizance of such thing. If they start taking cognizance of such thing, then they will be left with no time.
जैसे कि मैं सो रहा हूँ तो पिताजी को जगाना है मुझे, तो वो डायरेक्ट उठाने के बजाय, और हिंसा की परंपरा मेरे यहाँ नहीं थी सौभाग्य से, तो वो क्या करते थे कि उस कमरे में आ जाएंगे या बाहर से गुजरेंगे और चौपाई बोलेंगे, प्रात काल उठ के रघुनाथा मात पिता गुरु नावई माता। कभी कभी मैं गुस्से में उठ करके अरे पापा, चरण स्पर्श किया और सो गया। मैंने कहा अब मत उठाना।